time to do the air filter. Super simple job on these. Just got to undo these 4 screws here. They're a Torx bit. Alrighty. That with the old filter. Now, it also pays to clean out the bottom of your air filter box when you're doing this. I've got air here, so it's pretty easy. I always put a rag in the intake just to make sure it didn't blow any debris or anything like that out. But quick. Maintaining your car is not difficult, but if you're not confident, take it to your local mechanic and get them to do it for you. Check out rycofilters.com.au for all your service needs, or ask your local parts store or mechanic for Ryco products.